Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really interesting instrument, the FVEREY 88-key folding piano keyboard in white. Right off the bat, the most unique thing about this piano is its ability to fold. It folds right in the middle 180 degrees, making it incredibly compact. When it's unfolded, you get a full 49.6 inches of keyboard, but folded up, it shrinks down to just 24.8 inches. This is a game changer for anyone short on space or who needs to take their music with them. It even comes with a dedicated travel bag, so you can literally pick it up and go anywhere, anytime. Now let's talk about the keys themselves. You get a full set of 88 keys here, which is standard for a traditional piano. These are full-size keys, crafted to a 1-to-1 ratio compared to a real piano, giving you that familiar feel. They are semi-weighted, which means they offer some resistance. More than a standard synth keyboard, but less than a fully weighted acoustic piano. This provides a comfortable touch that's great for beginners learning proper finger strength. Plus, they are touch sensitive. This is crucial because it means the volume and even the tone of the sound changes depending on how hard you press the key, just like on a real piano. This allows for much more expressive playing. The FVEREY piano has two built-in high-quality speakers. They are designed to simulate the sound of a real acoustic piano, aiming to give your performance the best possible sound quality directly from the instrument. For modern musicians, connectivity is key, and this piano delivers. It supports both MIDI and Bluetooth. This means you can easily connect it to learning apps on your tablet or phone, or hook it up to music software on your computer for recording or using different sounds. It really expands the possibilities for practice and creativity. There's also a digital display, which is handy for navigating settings and features. Overall, this FVEREY 88-key folding piano is presented as an excellent option for beginners and adults. It offers the crucial 88 full-sized, touch-sensitive keys needed for proper learning and playing, combined with incredible portability thanks to its folding design. It's a versatile instrument that bridges the gap between a full-sized feel and the need for convenience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.